Is protein really necessary right after a workout? That post-workout smoothie may be overrated when it comes to muscle development and exercise recovery. Protein consumption should be delayed by 1 hour or more after exercise to minimize or even prevent muscular growth during recovery. The building blocks that make up your muscles are provided by the protein you consume. These building ingredients, often known as amino acids. What is the appropriate amount of protein for you? That equates to 55 grams of protein per day for a 150-pound adult. But here's the thing, research suggests that you don't need to consume all of that protein right after your workout. High-quality and short-term muscle biopsy investigations show equivalent muscular anabolism 1, 2, or even 3 hours after exercise when a necessary amino acid combination is consumed. Good foods to eat would be lean meats, fish, eggs, dairy, legumes, soy. If time is short, sandwiches are an excellent alternative for busy athletes or students with minimal cooking skills. When egg whites or whole eggs are combined with lean meats like sliced turkey or chicken, a powerful dosage of protein and amino acids is delivered. Remember, we're looking for a carbohydrate source that's easy to digest, and bread, even whole wheat bread, fits the bill. As previously said, limiting fat consumption after a workout is ideal. Cereal, odd as it may sound, might be a good alternative to get your daily intake of protein. 2 cups of low-fat milk include 15 to 20 grams of protein, and cereal can be a good source of carbohydrates after a workout. As well as, more companies are pursuing a healthier approach by adding vitamins and minerals to their cereals. Basically speaking, if you eat enough protein at each of your regular meals, you'll obtain all of the protein you require throughout your workouts. There's no need for any additional post-workout shakes.